Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be going over the installation and programming of a Genie wireless keypad for your garage door opener. Okay, this is my Genie model 7035, and we're going to be programming the keypad to it today. And the thing I like about these keypads is the instructions are right there, and it's really easy to follow along. But just for the point of this video, I'll show you how we do it. First things first, on your Genie keypad, you're going to want to open up the battery packet, and you're going to want to pull the tab. And go ahead and put the batteries back in now. Step 1, on the opener, you're going to want to hold the Program Set button. Your light begins to blink. Then on the keypad, do 3, 5, 7 and hit up, down 3 to 4 times. Until the door begins to move. Now that we have linked the keypad to the door opener unit, it's time to change the default passcode to a passcode that you would like more personalized. So what you're going to do is hit 3, 5, 7, hit program, and then for this video we're going to do 1, 1, 1, 1, and we're going to hit program again. Let's try it. And just like that, your personal key code is set. And anytime you want to use it, you just walk up and enter it in. So 1, 1, 1, 1. It's as easy as that. If you want to mount your keypad like this, typically they are mounted right in front of the door that they control. What you're going to do is you're going to open it up. And right under here, you got to remove the batteries. There's a screw there. Just like that. So you got one screw, and it fits in the groove there. Get it right on. Just like so. It's as easy as that to install the unit on the side of your door. Hey, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you could hit the thumbs up, I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I'll leave a link to this Genie door opener if you would like to check it out for yourself. Thank you.